Boom! Welcome back to Talk Up TV, one in a guys, and I know that today we come back with a bad movie Squddy 2 Road Part 4. What we say? Me know it's a long time when I wait for this. But here one on man, I want to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure if you tell a friend, if you tell a friend, if you tell a next friend, if you tell a next friend, if you subscribe to Talk Up TV 1.
Yes, Father God, give thanks and praise. Like I'm here, you know. Yeah, man. Glad me get rid of that pastor boy, you know. Yes, I.
There's a roof up above me and a good place to sleep. Food on my table and shoes on my feet. Holy and righteous Father, I give thanks, you know. There's a lot of things going on, you understand? All of a sudden, you to try to kill me and my son. I don't know what to believe, Father God. I beg you to guide me in the right path. You understand? And right now, all of this information is just too much for the brain. I just need to free my mind. You understand? Yeah, man, that's too much, man. Because right now, blood are boiling, you know. You understand? Blood are boiling. And if the youth they just know who me be before, I start serve you and start the right thing, Father. You would think you would never see me. You would walk past and hold the eye and hold the left. Let me up on the right.
Hello, Wagwan Princess.
Wagwan Princess, I said, look here.
I mean, so you're going in, you know you're going.
What's your word?
Alright, everything, make that stay. So life.
Everything alright, you know. But
Good.
look what it said. A month now, I ain't give it enough. I want
It means a months now, me not give Britney nothing. Now what day me give money for Britney? And no matter of fact, Britney a turn big woman. Britney supposed to come out for herself too.
No. I'm not saying it. Britney unfair herself when she left on her own. Britney soon turn big woman. She not turn big woman yet.
Alright. Yeah, hear me?
That's what I'm saying.
You're not really good at so. Me go make something reach you, yeah?
Yeah, make something.
Mommy.
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 Yes, Britney.
You know soon come.
Britney soon come. Just give me 2 minutes.
Mommy here must done dry everything now.
So what you say I go on between me and you now?
Nothing now go on between me and you. Look here, you must see me shining. Me tired of a little rough, covered up life. Remember, me know the type of life where you want
No,
to live.
but I just saw you go, you know.
Me now go back.
I saw you go, me not fight your opinion still over what you say, you know. Make that rest there so same way, anything what you say. Alright, me make something reach you, yeah?
Make you better make you reach me.
Alright.
And me again, don't try to put things nice like you want address nice, because we're not friends.
No, we have a difference, but honestly we can work out something. Alright. You too, Ash.
You're lucky.
Alright. You wait till she hear walk one. No, she go find out. I'm gonna ask her about it. And finally get together.
Doctor.
Yeah, chocolate farmer.
I'm going.
Are you over tell me?
Thing good, man. I'm seeing thing good, you know?
You got thanks.
Yeah.
Are you well?
All is well, man. I'm to your boss. Everything good, no, man. Yeah.
Yeah, so chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see no news with the pastor. I don't hear no about the new pastor.
You know, say Jesus pastor good.
Yeah.
Shall I put him in a party, put him, nobody can find him. So everything covered this one.
Well, make sure, you know.
Yeah, man.
As you say, you're a man of your word, you know.
Yeah,
So anything you say good, good, you see?
Yeah.
That's why I trust you, you see me?
I'm to you, man. Think about one, man.
But chap lad, I have a small mission for you to do for me, you know.
What kind of mission then?
Chap, you hear me? Right now, I tell you, say, you know, say, I want to give money to buy one little present for my woman and give him Britney money. You see me, because woman call me and pressure me for money. Say, when me not give no money for you, you know. And a matter of fact, I don't show him, say, yo, yo.
Me understand you say, mission of the go for that one.
No, at that time, mission I want you to deal with right now.
Where we go get the money from?
Let me not go deal with it, chap, like, hold on, man. I'm going to give you the thing for you, man. You 30,000, so you take a 10,000 and buy a little present, see? You don't know me, make me deal there. You just buy one nice little present, because you don't know. Remember, I said, I'm not told you for like 100, you know, so sweet me, I try sweet her up, you see me? So take a 10, buy one nice present, you see me? Yeah, you don't know you don't know for right on the gift card, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and the rest of them, daughter, see? Just deal with that for me, see?
Yeah, man.
Alright, choppy.
So boss. So I really carry back your way.
You know, so I'm not trying to be the moment I'm going to work out, you know. But you don't know.
Alright, everything.
Choppy. So choppy. So make you ask them questions there.
No, man, everything now, man.
Make sure I say it's good enough, choppy.
Boss, if you buy something for him baby man about it's not for him baby man style, because baby man go to church, you know. Man of your style. See end of your style. Let me look good. But I'm take out the alcohol out of that one, yeah. She not drink alcohol. So how much for this baby girl?
5,900.
5,900. Look nice one. Need to change, yeah? So, could I get the number?
No?
Why? So I'm on the street in a man, I'm to you, man.
Yeah.
Nobody's come down. Yeah, they come on, yeah? Alright. I come here going to China. I want to Britney around there. Because the last time me and her talk, you know, they tell me say when she finish her exam them, me and her can connect up and keep it on the low. You see me? Because I like how she look, you know. She's a fine young lady. And she quiet and things. That me like about her. Sister Shayna.
Mommy,
Yes, Brittany.
chocolate getting come to you.
Sister Shayna.
I can come in, me soon come.
Alright, she said I can come.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Wow, you good?
Yeah, me alright. You?
Yeah.
You can have a seat, you know?
Okay. What have you been doing?
Alright. Nothing really changed, really.
So everything good from the last time we talked?
Yeah?
Exam good and everything.
All of that.
So you're still interested, right?
No. I haven't made somebody at the moment. So, I'm not still a chance in that.
So yo, what's your name?
You don't need to know that. Mommy!
Yeah, come in. Come in, right. Lord have mercy. Oh, Chaplain.
Evening, Sister Shayna.
Evening.
You get something for you. Let us
You
send
get-
let us send figure this.
What is that could have possibly give in a bag? Forgive me. Forgive me, you sure say me lot to say forgive this?
Of course, and he said if you get this as well. And
Well,
he
this-
said you see if you take some and give that or something.
This more look like for Britney, but as for this look like a present and what kind of business and dealings me a lot in a film they send
He
gift
just said
back.
maybe purchase and give you the money so and
I will see, I know how to deal with this. Britney,
Alright.
you use roll-on, you use body wash and spray. It look like all of them or something, so you shall enjoy yourself.
Alright, take care, yeah?
And take care of yourself.
Alright.
And me go and hang with the money, me's the mother. Your father thinking can sweep me up with all of them or something, and why my send come? Me no want no bad man in my life, film deals done. So make him send gift come. When you're done, if you went beard already, beard again out of this. You want them to sweet up yourself.
So go finish my hair now, mommy.
Make her put on the bag and come.
All I see him in the light, then see him. I can't tell man foolish man is yo. She not even know man how we know. And you me find out how that a dead boy that. So you can't go and talk about yo. You not even know you for a while ago. No, you talk about things you want come back out for me for the last thing. Oh, how that girl there man? What if you know me how?
If you how long for dry, it done dry already.
Lord Britney.
I just the back part and if you fix now.
Oh, give me a call.
Hello.
You look nice, man. You see me tell us I'm set, you know. I just right around here, so no more. I'll carry down so a little bit. Brittany, you see when you finish,
Yeah, mommy.
you pick up every piece of ear around the so. When you see me cut off, cause short ear, you want short ear. Me I make you a fresh new girl now.
Yes,
Alright?
So I done it, mommy, a long time.
Me I fix up your edges nice, Brittany. Me want if you look perfect. So go around there so now and take up your waist ear them. Show them in a bin so you don't need them the ear there again. You cut off all of the little corruption and everything when they make you go astray. Fresh girl now.
So, mommy, how you look?
It look nice and me love it. Yeah, you're supposed to feel light, right?
Yeah, I'm not nothing for me.
Exactly so. So me want you feel for. Go inside, do what you have to do. Carry this to go around there. Put
Feel
that
like
in
one
the-
little boy.
Nice, little boy. Me I go water the flowers them. Feel like one little boy might take it and slap your cross with a little boy. Jesus will make you as a boy. So they get pushed up and then throw you in the fall. Pastor never so busy one of the day them, you know, me making me weed because he can't want the weed in a house. And you know I weed out of yard. You have to weed out of door too. If you read all about Pastor if you want to keep your stay, I have to go show you around the fruit. I really let's keep it back.
Yeah, you may hold on for the Bible, you know. You see me if put on the Bible, eh? You see me if put on the Bible, Father. I don't want to go back there, so Father, because we have it, you know. Have it, you know. Have it, where me put it? Yo. Where me put it? I have it, you know, Father. You know where me I come from, you know. Me and you know where me I come from, you know, Jaja. I want to do them. Father. I mean, you know where I come from, you know. Yeah, alone, no, Father. Right, Father. But it's still a click, Father. It's still a click. I want to do them. I'm just stuck in it and just a circle, you know. I could have my son, you know, Father. Boy, check now for my life, you know, Father. But I just say, lay down them things there and come to you in prayer. Now that me I go do, Father.
My 5 finger them I get big. Let me a little butterfly one of me. Keep my mind on me. Show the water pan you know, easy for break. You hard for dead, you not forget him. Keep her ready. Just a give little blessings. Alright? You know. Look like this one bother you a bit. Wonder if it's on the penetrate pan it too much. And now I wake up in veranda today because I know I'm Brittany say, Mommy, you give me too much work. Because she can't drive fast. Everybody I get a little touch today. Nobody can bar. You know, see, I can make pasta plant that too. And so me water, so me see things with pasta do outside as well. It's your business, pasta. You know, so you take long to come. I got bar 50 calf like a hell. Who bar? And pasta don't reach yet. You know, see, I should have given him a call because me no understand. It look like say in the feature church sister hands hard, you know. So in the take long for come around. So anytime if you give me few little dividends, me notice so in the move, you know. You make a call him. And you better answer quick.
Sister Shayna, man. Sister Shayna.
Yes, Pastor Houdini. Pastor Houdini, you know me there you consider say, I wonder if a feature you the feature some other church sister hands. Why you take so long for reach off my foot?
Oh my sister, you know, I've been through a lot, you know, I've been through a lot just the past night. You understand? It was Jesus Christ that saved I. Yeah, so don't feel like I forgot you, and I know we normally meet up on this day. And you know.
Me always expect Jesus to save you because of Jesus you say. So me want to know right now, how far you there?
Alright.
You're going to left out and now and come give a page. You understand?
That mean you soon come.
Soon come.
Do it fast, Pastor, because me sit down all in the sun on the step and they wait and it overcast. Me don't know if you see it, but it look like the rain coming soon.
Alright.
So,
I'll be there, man. I'm leaving out right now.
Alright, Pastor, me I wait. You know, say
Okay.
Pastor long stick nothing easy. I hope it's not what me thinking, you know. Brittany! I da drink one flavored splash, one of them nice purple looking juice. Let me see there. Come here, my daughter. The one you go around at the shop for me, you see?
Yeah.
You know the purple juice, them what they call flavored splash?
Yes, ma'am.
Get me one of that. You see if they don't have it, them have another one what they call the cran grape. Yes, buy one for me. Don't burst it till you reach a yard. I will give you a little when you come back.
No, we can't buy one juice for myself, please.
Well, if your money can buy two, fine.
If I know I can't buy my juice, trust me.
Brittany, do not trust. Anything you trust, you have to go pay back. Now put your basket where you can't reach it. Go on a shop, me send you. Me not like you, they take time to get ready, I know. One! Now come back, boy, if you can't go trust. You won't get me miserable in man and me wait for pasta. See how long you going to take to come here too.
Channel star. No, see me I go check your cat right now. I go check her now. See me? Give me here. Check her. Check her. I wonder if I can. She don't have me as a bad man. I don't want to can nothing for me. Yo, yeah, I make it strap them stay here, man.
Oh, there. Sister Shayna.
Yes, Pastor.
I tell you.
You don't walk so slow.
Oh, boy. Help me pull the gate of the Sister Shayna.
Pastor, your hand ban up.
Sister Shayna.
You Holy Ghost lick your pastor.
I'm telling you, say, it's a thing, man. It's a thing. I'm going to tell you what I go on.
Pastor, man, you dey pray for some bad church sister and cast demons by yourself, you know. Spirit will lick you down flat in a pastor. Stay there.
Man,
Stay
I'm
there.
not at all. I can't that. Yeah.
So, Pastor, what problem? Take time for sit down, cause me no like how you look at all. They move slow like them give, like when they give the mad people, them crawl up at the hospital. I saw you they move.
Oh, Jesus.
Take time, come in. You come in and rest your foot. Sit down on the tall chair, Pastor. That means when you get up, you're not fit.
Yeah.
Too much, you know?
Alright.
Now make me talk. So you, before you get into nothing, you don't have nothing to give me.
Alright.
You must have something, Pastor, for the little leftover. So you always have something to give me. So what change?
Look when we have me just go clinic and make me get something.
Clinic.
Yes, I tell you never tell you what go on, man. I want a little situation, you understand? Yeah. That little situation.
No, this a situation sound big, Pastor, because your hand band up till you reach all that clinic.
And my foot
By
creep
the
up, when I
hospital,
see
you
mark
go and
them.
they say,
Yeah, my foot they
oh
creep up there.
Jesus, Pastor,
Yeah,
this look
man.
like you've been through forest and bush.
Oh, I tell you, sister.
So, Pastor, a stick juke you so?
You can't call it, so you know me tell her the truth tell.
You see?
I want a yard me a pass, and man have some big dog in a yard. Yeah. A
These
real big
people,
dog.
they
and me
won't
say,
tie
yo.
up the dog them.
And you know me right now. I want to sue them and then when I see dog them and then go and calm like they not done and then hungry. You understand? And when me a pass and I go to Obama and I say, alright, pass good and everything, then I rush me fine. And by me go so look back at me.
And Pastor,
I dog them.
the dog bite you
bush.
way up here, so Pastor.
No man, I flash him, I jump, you know. I'm just flash him off.
Oh, the pit bull type them.
Yeah, but just go and touch him off. You
okay.
understand? You know that style?
May God have
touch
mercy
him
upon
off.
you and this.
I'm going to go and kick the next one. And then he crawl up and put
Oh, so more than one
chop off in
dog.
the bush.
Jesus
A two dog.
Christ. Pastor, you're lucky the dog never went cut your throat. Remember me tell you. Because them your dog get cut short nowadays, you know, you have to go pray about the situation still. You know, look good. Even though I not see it, you know, wound deep and then
No man, I believe me, that's true. You believe me, because you know pastor not tell lie.
Are you say so, you make your mouth say so. A pastor if you know if he not tell lie.
Pastor not tell lie.
When you're a pastor, you have to deal with the situation if you have to deal with someone want to know if the people them for the yard they no give you no little money. If you help pay that bill.
I know me not see nobody, so me just
No, you
left.
take things for joke, Pastor. You should have serious like me. You should have serious like me, Pastor. Then they have to pay me money, pay doctor bill and everything. You come here, they limp.
I like how you looking at you something shots and something.
And that's why I decide, say, you know, Pastor, see me have a dress.
No, wrong with me, see me good
Pastor,
there.
look. Pastor, me say, I have a dress for put on, you know, Pastor. And when me look for myself in the mirror, me say, Pastor would have like to see me skin.
Yeah.
So me full up the dress and put it right there so me not even make Brittany notice. See how me dress.
Yeah, man.
And me put it right there so I sit down there so they wait for you. So you me know you ain't going like this.
I love it.
Yeah, you love it.
I love it,
So
man.
like how you love it, you got to pay for it.
What you said. Remember I said me soon go back and you know what you said, man. I want
Pastor,
and everything solved, you know. One.
Me glad to see you because what me did they look for is not what me get. You understand, but me glad to see you and she say, alright, me get a bad news instead I get something in my hand. So, me glad to see you you're alright at the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
Yeah,
so
you know too bad because you have life.
life. So you say, yeah, every relief you look stress and don't come. I tell her, say, I just want
Then Pastor, you walk come here, you not go and good.
what you said, man. I say,
Pastor, me not the lame thing, you know, come with show you.
no,
I hear what?
I protect. No, that firm and strong and long.
Wait till you get strength, Pastor. Your health
Yes,
come
sure.
first. Because you're the limp, they come in and say, I know why
Alright,
you come limp for me.
I got
Next
it,
thing you
it's
hear
there.
say, Pastor get dropped on head out. That's a church sister, church pastor. Pastor, come, me think you should already know. Come when send Brittany go on a shop. I'm in a 2 1, she come see me and you pass certain type of conversation.
Wow, long time not see mama. I'm that sexy and clothes over there.
Alright, Pastor, so later then.
Yeah, man, I want you to take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, you take care of yourself, man.
Yeah, that's it. Next time,
Yeah.
don't worry yourself, man.
Don't come back till they walk straight. Me no like the limp walking.
Alright, no problem.
You are able to find your good method. Once you want to go inside. You think yourself, you come. Come on, Pastor. No, let me pack up your hand.
They're gonna take you, okay?
Alright, take up one of the stop. Pastor, don't forget to your firm up and strong. Yeah, Pastor, so the like when you're strong. So, keep your man going.
Alright, sister. One is right.
Yes. Walk good.
Yeah, man. Alright. Left me strap down. This one is strap dog and I pass my boy that them can tell me say yo you be killing a dog. Yo me fi do it myself my dog. Yeah, dropping mango, them a dropping a star. Yo, God know you. Yeah, dropping mango, them dropping a star. Mango, them a mash up star. So man, the mango dirty up, man.
No, sir. I have to go look for Nick father. And Nick real father that in a real life he never have none. You say old fire take easy for catch you. Yeah, Nick father. Nick have to really love his father right now. Without a cause he have to love his father. You make sure call him. Cause I have to go look for him, you know. I have to go look for him. Cause I can't believe what that little boy do to him. You have to make sure he's saying alright. Even if me have to go carry him go a doctor.
You know, I'm not answering this one. I'm not answering, you know. About great man go to the police station, you know. Sure. Yeah, man. A police station, man, you know. I feel like I need to make a report because anything possible right now. Anything possible.
I'm so nervous. No, man. Make me hold this up. I look like you. Me no hold the phone to my face. Me not see what go on. Alright.
Hello, Putus. Putus.
Yes, it's the number one Putus. What Putus?
Me there. You remember my name good though? One Putus.
Give me a little time in the Putus. Give me a little time in the Putus. I'm going to meditate now and...
Me have to come check you and make see if you're alright. I make you know say with me I'm here for you and your son is here also. I tell that little boy, you know. In every house there's a window. That means there's always a way.
Putus, me tell us I need some space, Putus. Alright, me tell you, Putus.
Say, don't you need space? I will just get him back together.
Get him back together.
Yes, I see it in the making.
You see it in the
I have
making.
to come and look for you. Where are you? I hear Putus, but right now, I'm not telling you, I'm here, I'm in the road.
Which part on the road there me want come look for you? Anywhere there me come.
No. Alright.
Yes. I feel sick of your son. Remember say you never know see your son. So it's like a new son.
Putus, me there bar going, you know. If you know me, I go a while ago, you don't want to know.
I'm coming. Anywhere as I'm coming to look for you. I need to see that you are okay.
I hear what go on. It's a true you know. And I hope you have a good explanation for what your boy do. Because I can't believe say I'm my boy.
Remember it's the blood now.
Yeah, it's the blood now. Alright, you may say. I go give you some time. Me there wait. If it take too long to come, I go just move on. So watch you know. Just hurry on forward. If me say I take too long, I go move. Me go by the background. Alright?
Alright, cross your heart and hope, you know. I'll be there.
Yeah, man, you're better.
Alright. And you forget better and you get mashed up. In trying to say my mind this boy now, you know. Cause all of them the money when me spend I have to take care of him. he have to give me back. Let me lock up this house.
Right now, yo, man, grieving the dog. Right now, I watch Chappy here, David. Chappy and the little virgin, I can't believe. After them, them tell me, say, the man go crush the mission. The man tell me, say, yo, in do your work. After me grown this, and now me go see the pastor boy around there, brother. Yo, right now, tonight, yo, somebody have to get it.
Yo, Father God, may you bless that tree. Man, yo, me say, mommy, how in there? How in there, do? Boy, the mango tree is sweet, yo.
I can't take the mosquito here sing at my ears at night time. You know. What a choir them with. House, I'll be back.
You want it done, Father God, come like a sugar you through a road. Bad man, no suck mango seed. Go over there, sir.
So much mango you have yourself.
Mommy,
How many days I mango all day? From morning?
Mommy, me can't make them.
Wait there, me find me go look fine now. I may carry some feed. Me soon come back, me take some of them.
Yeah. Father no hard me work to pick them a mango, yeah. What mommy really they come talk about?
Squddy, I always want to look for boy. I say, son, to avoid the germs, boil the water. I taking them to your father.
Where you go take to my
So
father?
you can help him out to full his belly. Maybe he down there hungry.
Oh, see one
Look
man.
one of things that. Where are the rest of them?
Mommy, me eat them. Mommy, me eat them.
Vomit them up. Yeah. Nee.
Mommy, see one. It's the one like you just drop. You can't get.
Look for more. Look for more. Look for.
Mommy,
Lord have mercy under your sling hide them. I carry
no hard. Me pick them the
I
mango
take
them.
all of them to him. Everyone. You're too greedy. You know how these mangoes are nice? Anybody would want some one of these mangoes to eat. Even piece, even the skin, Squddy.
Mom.
You hear me? I'm taking them to him. All of them.
Mommy, man, alright.
He's not okay. After all you did to him, think about it. And you didn't know how much he was related to you. I'm going for him and taking him back here so we can reunite. You hear me? Blood thicker than water. How much time you hear that in the street? Here? How much time I have to tell you? Squddy, I'll be back. I'm going for your father. I'll make sure you're here when I get back. By the hook or the crook up, I'm bringing him so you see him. And should I even cook some nice food for him before he gets here so you can say, oh, daddy can think about me as a good boy now. So you can get things. Suppose he's been traveling or going to foreign and all these things. You're not going to get any foreign things.
Me done now. Sure. Good man. Mommy just take up for yourself, just gone. Chat about this father youth. God knows that, eh? Dear me and mommy there. And mommy not talk about no father. All of a sudden mommy just talk about be a father. Eh? We there weeks, months, years. No, me no know no father youth and mommy they can't. Yo, well, you can't go on in a mommy. Blood me bathe already and clean. Cause you know must come back here come see me. Go and eat 2 mango, yeah man. Why me not tell no lie, Father God. No want nobody in a yard cause mango tree they ripe, you know.
Call the one the king because when the last night he never do good. I'm not like that. And the boss not go like that. Because he make him man get me. And right now, he man see face. And the man can go report him at any time. So he have to do it fast and done. We number.
How this up? Chop lad.
Come on answer your phone.
Yo, where you deal with big brother?
Papa.
The bunny black and that mango tree I eat one mango.
Alright, forward out the road. Me do out the road. That's it. Yeah man, me out the road, yeah. You gonna see me?
Alright. Yo, where you deal with Jack? Yo, me have a pray for sure you know that.
Forward, man.
Yeah, dog.
Yo, to the idea. Because yo, man, can't stand now, brother. Brother, see me. Again,
Watch
you
out now.
know, see your face already, you see?
Brother.
You have to get to that.
Brother, guess what now? Me no cut you, you know. Yo, my mother tell me be a thing, brother. You know.
Brother, I'm to your man. Yo, hold on, party
Brother,
to
the
leave with
school
the
no
dirt
man.
and come back.
Oh, from last night.
Yo, come, I leave with the dirt, brother.
Brother,
I'm to
the
your
school no man. Man, I'm up, so brother. I'm listening to me, I say, no, brother.
listen, man. You man, see your face already, brother. A prison, we're going to man, what's the go reporting about man, you ready?
Watch out, make you lift up from me gate. I'll show you a pray, brother. Because you have to listen to me, I say to you, no, brother.
So we take up on a yeah, little time, you know.
Relax, brother.
Yo, what you want that for now?
Brother, come out of the sun, brother. I want to show you a deep pray, dog. Yo, big man thing, dog. Yo, guess what, my friend? Can't go by that dirty pastor, brother.
You mean say you can't, I'm to you, man. You mean say you can't, brother Nick?
Brother, my mother say I'm a father, brother. You're the killer father, brother. Eh?
So Nick, you sure see your father?
Brother, my mother not tell me no lie, brother.
Brother, remember say family New Year, man, you don't have no father.
That's
Your mother just
brother.
come and see your father, Nick. You don't even know for your father, brother.
Brother,
Your mother can't tell you anything.
Yo,
Up to
brother,
you, man.
watch out. Yo, what make you no make with us? Kill the boss, brother, and send him a dove cat, brother. Eh? Guy boss us love chat, brother. 6 foot deep, 6 foot deep.
How you
brother.
say?
And give him a nice funeral, 21 gun salute.
I think them man are easy to get to, brother.
brother.
I don't see me work with them man. You think I can kill them man? Them man they hard to get to, brother.
Brother, me done plan out it. Cause from I got my bed last night, he just dep on my mind, brother.
You're a foolish
Yo,
thing. Yo, a
brother,
foolish thing, man.
We
Yo,
go tell him, yo.
brother, just run back his shot, brother. We're counting about fathers.
Run back his strap for what, brother? Yo, brother, me not run back no strap, brother. Cause yo, I'm here, brother. Just give man some time, brother. I'm here, me J. Yo, I'm also star. Brother, me can't give back his strap, brother. Just give me some time, brother. My mother gonna link with my so-called father, brother. If come back, brother. Me just want to hear what you have to say, brother. I want to hear, brother, man. Just give me some time, my friend, man.
Yeah, give us some time, you know. But link me, you see it?
Yo, everything good, man. As everything
man.
come true, we just link you up on the parrot, man. I make you know what
Yeah, man, that's it, right. That's it.
Yeah.
Link up on the front, that's it.
Yeah.
Start over him saying, sit down now. Eh? Had so much horse over there. How him pass them? How one of them no kick him?
Time ago.
Ah. Oh my God.
But
And here you're waiting on my.
I
It can open? I just have to walk through here.
have walk through putos, walk through.
Why?
Government lock you down putos.
I don't
Not
have
no free again.
check me. Oh yes, so you sit down.
Have a seat, putos. Have a seat, have a seat.
Me can him a feel.
What them there?
Mango, then can suit your sorrows.
Come on, mango, you give me putos. Hold the back
I know,
putos.
come on, mango. And you see a green gauge. A nice mango for eat. I'm gonna see with nothing that just look as like you have nothing on your yard to eat either. Come on, now, ask me how me been doing now.
Putos, how is everything, putos?
Well, I've been working, living and lifing in this beautiful world. The world not beautiful to you? How you feel? You cut them better, you look bruised. Oh my!
Putos, yes, me and cut, man.
This
This is great, man.
I didn't see it. I just want to tell you about your son. That's all I come to tell you about. And it's really about it. It's not even really about me. Me included, you know. Let me sit down. Give me a little. Sorry, nobody ball out again.
Sit down, man.
This is the little boy. I want you to reunite with him. Think about it. You don't see his head shape just like yours. You could never say it's a jacket. It's not a jacket.
You know how much man I get jacket nowadays and you talk about bobo and jacket. Yeah,
But you remember what you did. Don't you remember?
Putos, hear me I say putos.
Come
and reunite with him. He's run by the house. I leave him there. I let him know I'm coming to see you. And you can eat which one of the mango now. You don't want to taste one. Come on now. Please. I want you to reunite with him and reconcile and do everything with him and make a good role model for him, you know.
So when the boy born?
20th April 2002.
Oh.
What you have to think about?
I time I check the time and see the time
I
correspond.
really want you back in my life to come be a
everything
good
go
role
down.
model, you know.
Why? Photos.
Look, boy, need a father.
Photos. For my youth, you know, photos, I know me I go do there. You understand? And you know, you're the bad, you know, but you never do road.
No,
You're the bad, but I want man, you did I say.
just get caught up.
Oh.
Please, think about it right here and now. He needs a father. It's been me alone. I've been struggling to find food to eat, to send him to school. The boy not even want to go to school. He need guidance. He need a man figure in his life. And that is you. Yes, you have. Yes, come there, see there's no man there. Obviously, yes, it's you I've been waiting on.
So you tell me, say, I'm a youth. Am I much now? I'm a member now.
He just turned 20.
Jesus Christ. I miss out all my life.
Yes. All in childhood in good way. You can even them to teach riding a bike. He didn't even get to ride a bike. He didn't even get to skater shoes like some other kids. He didn't even get to go to fair day as much as he want to. Exam time, I have to find school fee, uniform for your hand.
I don't my mind is just saying, I think about all of them miss out pan and where could have happened and when could have reach and if everything
It's
just
not
work
too
out.
late.
It's not too late.
It's not too late.
Why? I feel a way for real, you know. Alright. Maybe I go come around and come see what I go on.
Please.
Whenever they penetrate me, I look upon him, you know.
God alone and me and him.
Know. But you see, if you born on my ears and a mind, because you running on my family.
You have your ears.
You sure I'm ears?
Your nose, your eyes,
all
your
of my family
eyebrow.
are the ears, you know?
Yes, and same way you two of them look the same way.
No, yourself.
I tell you, his head shape just like yours.
And see what I go on.
Yes. You don't have to do no DNA, no anything. You just look at him, you see yourself.
Alright.
Spitting image of you.
You go inspect and see what I go on.
You ready now?
I'm ready.
Come on. You know, you don't have to bother eating mango. Carry the bag. I'll carry it for you. Your hand sick. Put your phone in your pocket and don't carry anything heavy on this hand.
No,
come on. I'll take you home and doctor you.
Doctor me put up.
Yes. And that boy will have to help you also. You can go through? How you come through?
Put up, my man, you know, put up.
I know you've always been a gentleman. That's why you get me pregnant.
Alright, put up. Don't worry yourself.
Put the sick hand through first.
No,
how you say your hand sick?
It's a flesh wound put up. It's not do me muscle them put up. If I touch it, I feel it. But the muscle them alright, see them more.
Okay, let's go. Keep on holding in the same heart. You didn't want to come here act like you didn't want to come. Well, you reach. Squddy! Squddy! Say goodie, say hi. It's your father. You see it? Man no dead, no call them dopey. Talk to him now.
Brother, I'm to your man.
The man this, you know. The man this right now.
Be the bigger person.
I think you owe me an apology, you know, youth.
Yes, I've been told in him.
Big man, no disrespect, you know, general. You can't buy me one break for your bicycle.
And now you're not apologizing to him.
No long want to see you come mommy tell me say my father come and want break for your bicycle, you know.
Apologizing to him now.
But I'm sorry, man. I get carried away, man.
Daddy. Don't leave off the daddy at the end.
Mommy.
And And he's right in front of you right now.
Oh, me sorry on the
Daddy!
Let me see ears. Come tell us if your ears look the way your ears look alike.
Yes, you know see how he cock off? I feel your ears.
Come and see your
Spitting
foot. Take off
image.
the socks and see your car.
This man, you know,
Listen me man.
Are your father?
Go on, no. Take off the socks and
You
see your
never
foot.
see nobody
I'm
come
not
on
take
you
a
up so
jacket
yet.
today. No. Nah, take a jacket. See it there.
You don't have your talk that in front of the child.
The foot kind of pitchy patchy still, but
I feel him. And look him start bleed. I follow the boy them on the road.
why? Boy, you need guidance, you know.
One night time he burn up.
Bono.
say a real pastor for true, sir.
Change my life, young youth, and that save you too, you know. I'm glad
Mommy.
everything work out, because can't believe. You
Mommy,
understand?
Stop spinning the bicycle. Stop spinning it.
me name
Stop spinning in it.
Me know see my father. My virgin ain't give me one gun and me name one do it.
And take my wife to get used to him still, no, car.
But you have to stand up. You have to stand up.
No, me nah run the field.
You see how the boy going on in?
We need spend some father and son time. You understand? Because I don't kill his spine now.
The boy going in too
rude. Know
rude.
right now. All of this will go on.
Me and me, you know.
Squddy?
I want big man, you know.
Squddy?
I want big man. I'm running place.
Bad influence.
I'm give you work, mommy.
You know, stop following peers.
Alright, so.
Father talk now.
I'm not going to say right now. No. I'm not
Dad.
Right now, no, father.
You see, you make you lick them and the boy do your father have him away.
Father, let me show you. I'm turn over a bicycle and show you one break.
You make your father
Good
we want
man,
to become a
good,
father
good
to you
man,
right now.
good.
You see, you're paranoid.
Mommy.
Good man. I
Mommy, I just life, you
I
know.
just shocked.
Say going on, mommy.
I just shocked and we observe.
So how do you understand, General?
Are you grunge him off? Are you grunge him off?
Man. It's alright.
It's a lucky thing,
alright,
say he's a
Squddy.
pastor.
Squddy is
And him up
alright,
the church
Squddy.
and the
Mommy,
church member them.
You should have killed me and go show me my
Squddy is
father,
alright.
you know, mommy.
That is yes, Squddy.
So you
That
could
is
have made me
yes.
go kill my father, mommy.
That
Oh,
is yes,
God.
Squddy.
Your father was nowhere to be found.
Poor, made me kill my
Hush,
father.
Squddy.
He looked like say it's a good thing you grunge him.
Hush,
Because we would
Squddy,
find him.
Hush. Squddy, I real name, I saw them call him.
Ask him how he get the name. Squddy too rude.
Jesus. Squddy too.
For your ear too rude.
So where you went there all of the year there?
Call police off him say I'm
Which
name.
boy you went there?
I never know they were my son, my boy. I was living life.
So what you
otherwise.
decide to do?
Mommy, me not like
Oh,
what
yes,
going
sir,
on.
man. As me say, in part of test, we have the same years and same foot.
Say up in bank account for him now.
So I'm a real father. Mommy, me not believe in me, man.
Unbelieve. I am mad. I have not believe.
Ha?
I am mad. Convince me. I'm gonna come and look and see the sign and
You
the
sure say I'm a
symbols.
father, mommy?
Me convince you?
Hello, mama. Say I never know until you tell me.
Hello. This and everything that's happened with him included right it takes two. I did
Yes,
not
yes,
go and
yes.
get him by myself.
Oh, me not tell no lie. No. My father
And if you
shoulda
did
just
call
buy me-
there, your
shoulda
name
want
would
new
call.
bicycle, shoulda
Watch out
care for me, you know. Cause long, you know, see me, eh? And if you are my real father, shoulda care one bicycle come give me,
Well,
man.
calm down, son. Calm down. Calm down. Your
Everything
father is a
alright, man.
pastor. You know you're going to become a pastor's son.
How much brother me have now? How much sister me have now?
Well, I tell you the honest truth.
Cause me no want
You
kill
have,
my
you,
brother,
have,
you
you
know.
have one sibling abroad, you know. I'm not the girl that we not two deal again. But
See?
otherwise, from that, in
You
Jamaica,
can get to go a foreign.
I am only one. No, man, we no link. I say me not the woman, no link. But we have family, abroad. We not really, you know.
You want them to link him and
Yeah.
them can
Yeah,
link.
man.
Do him the same as the
Alright, I'm
offspring.
my father, I'm my man. Make everything alright, man. I'm my father, go deal with everything. And buy me bicycle.
But you need to shape of yourself, because I don't like how you
Yeah, man, me
carry
go
yourself,
start
you know.
shave and stop bleach, you know,
Yeah,
man.
Squddy,
Me
me
not,
don't
me
like how
not,
you
me
carry
done with
yourself
bad
at
company,
all.
you know.
Good boy,
I want to go
Squddy.
foreign, you
You
know.
needed the father figure.
I want to go foreign, you know. Go see my sister, them, and my brother, them. Because them a drive car now.
Yes, that is
You
true,
only have
son.
one sibling or one
You can
brother
get
over
a
there.
skill and stop spinning bicycle and stunting it like you don't know
Bike.
what you want to
That's
become.
sister they go
Give me a
buy
second.
me one
Give
bike.
me a second. Squddy, you have a ketchup.
Alright,
I have
alright,
a try
daddy.
make up for the time when
Alright,
I'm there.
daddy.
You understand?
Alright, daddy. I me pick them mango there, you know.
Are you pick them and
I
go?
me wash them off and give mom and tell him to give them. Nice and
That's good.
decent.
Give me a second.
Alright, make it stay away then.
Come
Make it
here.
stay away then.
Mommy, we are go foreign. The sister, them up there.
You see about now? I'm gonna be a real father. I'm gonna there for Squddy. A Squddy and real name?
Nick,
Nick. So my last name?
same one where you have. Well, they have to change and put for him, because we never have no father. Maybe give him my name.
Alright, so that's something I've got to do, but I'm gonna be there for him now. You understand?
Remember, say Nick Brown, you say my name.
Nick Brown. You better
Big
help
people
and change your
talking.
name. You better help and change your name. You know what I'm saying? Help and change your name.
So my name go change mommy for Nick Brown.
Yes, you're gonna get the foreign name.
Yeah, man, your name Fenton, I know. You hear me I said though? I'm gonna make you get something
I
for
tell my
him.
friend them say my
I
name
want to
go
get some
change.
better clothes for him.
Yes,
Because
what can tell him say
you
you
see them
travel.
clothes that I wear, a gangster clothes them there. I want to get him a Bible and
Yes.
a jacket.
And an attache case.
Yes. You understand? I want to get him a tambourine. Come
Yes.
from church, I know. You understand?
Some shirt button up yes, sir, pastor son.
Yes, he must come to church. You understand? So. We'll catch up with this side, but I'm going to take care of him, man. You're not for yourself.
Squddy, I'm going to let your father use the bathroom.
Alright, daddy, you know yourself, man. You know if you go to the vestry, man. You can stay as long as you want.
Boy, you're too fast, boy.
If you ever know how the girl tell much lie for me, for man, for man. One heap of lie. Call me round, him mother call me round there. And when I go round there, me only hear say, me give her one piece of skinny looking thing. We had even close that. When they put on it like have one on, he whole line in belly yes, and in back the show. And he tell him mother say, me give her no poor me when me just a lead her in a right when I say, a bad man. Leave him alone and finish school and focus on school. No. The girl tell wipe a life on me and mother run me tired like a dog. Poor me when I just the truth me they talk.
Which girl? Can you just come and chat? I don't know who you talk.
One girl me ever par with and a Britney.
Brittany. You know what I say? You know what I say? Sometimes if you knock sense in your head, can you come like you don't have none?
You know say me not get that the girl more than this I do. 150 a kidney. $100 me I can't go on there, whether she like it or not.
I still run back a Brittany ass. See how I fly?
Me not run back a girl. And just because the girl I'm a friend and me say alright, to see anybody we am a friend, me don't like to see them do good. Me don't want to see none of my friends them have no farm or downfall. You understand? So the best me did try to do a leader in the right way. You
I should follow the
understand?
leading.
But follow what?
Okay, and what that tell us?
If you ever know him mother shame me and run out of the yard, and I just the truth.
No, you're not shame. You're a shame she popped down long time. Because if you didn't have shame, you would have followed back her same way. You would have followed back her same way. You're not shame.
Me not know the truth.
You can always get bring down.
Sweet Jesus, sweet Jesus, what a wonder you are. You are precious, more
Can I no juice, please?
than gold. What can I do?
More splash water.
Sweet Jesus.
$100 first thing.
When I come back, I give you $100, yeah?
If I say so, me know me not get back that $100 eh?
Jada. Girl, just be like all that foolishness you are going and just start. Jada.
Man, I'm going to call if you're just come and pick up.
Alright, later.
Listen, man. Jada, listen, man. Listen. Jada, you can't hear me. Me and your friend for a long time, right?
I see, so she didn't tell me to come back back, friend. But I hope Jada do the right thing. Don't be the business with them still.
Right now, boss boy man to make you dash right now, youth.
Jada, you me follow you go up here, you for some
No, I don't want you to follow me go up here, girl. Me and your
When
girl.
the rain and come down, just hear me here. You know you have friends for that. No, me and your friend.
Oh, go on, so. Hey, my girl, yo, where you going, sir? How go on,
Just tell her to stop following me. See rain all come
Hey,
down.
how you doing, man?
No, listen,
Oi,
she don't
man,
do me
you
no
touch me now.
She don't do me no
Man,
babe.
you touch me. That
Jada, go on, me call you. She don't do me nothing.
Hey, come out there, man. Come out there. Hey, you see that girl there?
I'm going to
No, I ain't
the
not talking with that girl, you know. See, she a move.
Tell her.
Hey, me know you talk to that fly body girl, you know.
You girl no want to
Sure.
talk to me because of foolishness.
She no lick you.
No, she can't lick me.
Hey, babes, you know, see, I run me around ground on the road, go mash one thing, though. Can't see you later when you mash the crime.
Me no look different. You talk
Why?
about mash time.
Babes,
You know see me.
yo, I just show me feel a while ago, man. You know, you look nice, man, when you come out, so. How you go?
Thanks. Me accept me no look different.
I say you look nice.
But me accept me no look different.
Of course.
Me hair cut
Yeah, man,
today.
I see it, man.
Okay. New looks.
Hey, me know you argue with that girl,
Me
eh?
no argue with her, me just sit down and
Ah,
try if you
ah,
talk
next
to her
thing.
and try to get things
Next
straight because
thing.
me and her friend for a long time.
Me know you keep friend with her, you see me?
But
So what you say?
why?
Later we'll link up, you know. Me dey on a ace, you know. You see me? We can link up.
Me make you know. Me can't just say me go make me a link.
Hey, my girl, go on. Where you wait for her for?
She not wait. See girl I walk there, she not
Hey.
wait for me.
I'll see you here. I'll
Alright,
see
I
you
up
right
some
now.
me have,
Yeah,
but
right now.
me just take a shot to
Me
you.
really want to care with me, but guess what?
Maybe her can go for mother send you.
Why you heart you come out like a jobs to blood teeth.
Alright.
You see me never go nowhere. Yeah, just go up on a little move, you know. You see it, you know,
Alright,
so we
then.
got cash, you know, you see me?
Yeah man, me know say I have it like later,
Down in
yeah?
a crib with you there, you know, mama.
Alright, there ain't no problem. For her can reach out to my mother.
Crib me and mama for there, you know. Don't get with her, yeah?
No, I don't think it's that day, no, stop.
Bad man, make sure you answer your phone, cause right you know. What is a call? Yo, where you deal with chap lad?
Yes, you ready now? I'm ready, you know, brother. Ready long time now.
I mean man. Right you know.
I'm calling for a brownie.
When I running.
Yeah, I'm going to go and wait for me around them so forward, man. That's it. Alright.
Yeah man, you know a spot already man.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright cousin.
Yeah.
Yeah man. That more the more you go around a browning. Whoop by your boss right now and make sure say yo. Watch out there.
Boy, the fee say a joke thing. After 10 months, say your job complete already. Yo, rise up thing and that. Alright, I didn't get this thing. If a joke thing, man, I forget it today. Joke thing, yo, man, I forget it today.
Oh, I'm telling you man. Cool on me there, sorry man. Can't reach us over there. What is that? Yo, come back and take this thing for joke. Yo, I'm there about 1 hour now. I know this man can't turn up. Yo. And the best thing I go do, you know, better me go buy a play 2 box, you know. And go on easy, you know. I do like him now come for now, you know.
Yo. Chapla. Yeah, me just let me know. I want to say it urgent. Right now.
You know, say this is me wait for the man place. Alright, me a forward now.
Can't understand. You can't really say your man left now. You man tell me say your man get a shot of here.
Oh. Can't be say me have to make a move. And I wait 10 man. Sure. Somebody just call me, come back for man. Yo, me a forward here, me say me a forward. Me a forward, anything me forward and me a do. Ah. It's gonna come like.
In Africa, I grow up, man. I grow up, man. That's it. I found one day, Mrs. Ayo, like you there, I'm going to just a little bit.
General.
Yo, come on.
No, see, I want Squddy out here without fear, my father. What's up the place now, man? Might you respect me, General.
Where you going?
I'm there, I go and chill out, my father. All things, everything good.
Everything will go down.
Right now, I say I slap by a boy, brother. You know I'm work for me.
Yeah. No, see, I have a mission for you.
Mean, man, I'm going to take them one, man.
General, what is that? I mean, say what is that? Then you tell me, say, work when I'm going to see Pastor.
General, you know me work, General.
No, brother.
General.
Get up. Boss up.
General, what is that, man?
Boss up. Stand up. Go.
General.
Turn up.
General,
Turn up.
General, do work, General.
Don't move.
General, do work.
Don't move. Don't move.
What is that, man?
Look, sir.
General, I never expect this in a General.
No, man, let me tell you what. Don't move. Look, don't move.
General, I don't understand what I want to pass it.
Brother, don't move. You want to get in the head of power. Don't move.
Like a set your plan set me up in a youth. I want to go check that.
No. Are you with me? Are you want to know, brother? You tell me say you're the man. Shut up, you put the man in there.
Brother, we
I'm
do it.
not going to brother.
Brother, so what is for brother? What make you
Brother, hear me the man. Hear me the man. You don't do your work, brother. Yo.
You tell me say you give me a work, brother. What is for man?
Yo, sit down over there.
Yo, General, nobody kill me in a man.
Sit down. Don't move.
Nobody kill me in a man.
Man, you go to work, man. You not talk about the man. Shut up, man. What you want? You want yes, sir?
Boss, me nah move.
What you want?
Boss, me nah move.
What you want?
Don't kill me, boss. Please. Please, boss.
Please.
Set your plan, set.
Don't move.
Please, boss.
You get rough in your feet. When I walk and talk to them, most bad man will get rough in you're not a camera
Sorry, General.
I wonder why I chop that.
Sorry, General.
You must have you forget it right now. You will forget it. Don't move.
Sorry, my boss.
Don't move.
Boss, I use the bathroom, boss. We can't use the bathroom.
Yo, use it right there. This I should see a place.
Boss, we can't use your boss. No, boss, I'm not shut up.
You will forget that I want one chop land to catch your head. When my go to work for the blood, so I'm most killer. And I can't for one head now. Me tell us to murder that bastard boy. I'm still going to see bastard boy. Yeah!
Me piss up the same with boss. We can't.
Yeah, man, piss same place, man. Wait till the one chop land come. I didn't forget it, you know. I didn't tell me, say, man, he serious man do the work, you know. I know me, I say, pastor boy. I want to one chop land. I want to white one.
Man, say, brother. Understand, man, brother, you see. Man, dead father.
Oh! So I them a fool me.
Come on, General, but I'm sure say man, they don't flat on.
I'm here.
Boss, come back, no man, kill me, boss, please.
Hey, I race my
No, kill me, boss.
And the head me race everything a while ago, you know.
Please,
Get
boss.
one chop lad, come here.
Kill me, boss.
Here.
Please, boss.
Hey boy, I'm not yo, don't look at me. Even like how you look at me.
Boss, I'm going to go to my diner, boss.
Yo, yeah, yeah, man. Yo, I'm not yo. Come up on the face. I don't like how you look at me. Yo, I don't like how you look at me. Don't look at me, man. Don't look at me. If you make a sound, I'm going to come bust out there. Come on, away, boy, chop blood, man.
Doctor.
Why you going? Hold on. Chop blood.
Hold on.
Then, what is? I don't think no good on chop blood.
How would I talk about this?
Yo, that's your business. You see me, I say? Yo, what going between me and your business?
You chop off the earlier and tell us a man's anything there.
Yo, chop blood. Yo, you must have never lied what going.
How was?
Chop it. Chop it. Or you tell me say pastor boy.
Let me pass somewhere. Man.
Chop
Man say
blood.
somebody pass
Chop blood.
somewhere.
Chop it, hear me no boss. Me go down to my yard and while I'm going to see pastor boy down there. I mean, so what I say? I'm a Jesus. That's the resurrection from the dead.
But when I'm tell me say pastor, then everything alright.
Chop blood.
So you see pastor.
I mean, so down to my yard and tell us a chop blood. Chop blood. Where you going to rock it?
Why don't you call him and I'm not with him?
You must not get it. Yo, check out that nigga across the free in favor of your rookie. If you reason you're rookie. Just do it, man. Yeah. I hear that.
How you do this time? Yo! How you do this time?
Yo, hear me.
That's how I do.
The job not done, brother. We're going to be able to see pastor, boy. Chaplain, I hear my shit now. I can't.
Like them I said at the pan, brother. They tell me see you do dirt, brother. And when me come back and tell the boss you deal with it. So you make me tell the boss lie, brother. Come like you man, deal, brother.
First, they see you can't use that. You say me like you, you don't trust you. You see me, I say, you know you don't trust somebody, brother. Chappy, I your friend, you know, see? So, yo, you deal with him. See me, I give you a couple seconds to deal with him. Because you know, you say, if you don't deal with him, me, I deal with him. You see me?
So you only come to my tell me, say, you man never did, brother, me go deal with it. Just tell me for the same night, man. I'm to you, man. Yo! Squddy, you ready, brother? Jesus Christ, Squddy, me can't see you shoot him, man, brother. But you don't see man dead, brother. I mean, let me see. Squddy, what am I going to do now? I'm going to tell you people, them say, brother, this don't look right, you know. Brother. You know, that's shoot, man, shoot, you know. Yo, they don't say a bull, you know, brother. Brother, you're virgin, you know, you have this hand, brother. Let me talk to you about this already, brother. You still call me, brother. Yo. Squddy, I show me, shoot you, you know.
Long time man for that.
Brother, you're wrong politics, brother. You don't know what you put me in, brother. What we going to do? What we going to tell the people, them say? What we going to tell the rest of the man, them say, they know me, brother. And the man dead. I mean, everything they put in there, brother. Brother, you say, show me, shoot you. You don't know what you're doing.
Yo, the school, brother. See you, the school, brother.
Brother, this is a man thing that Lily, brother. What we going to tell the people, them say?
Brother, you go around.
Brother, you know what them hit, brother. Squddy. Brother, me believe.
Yo, my nigga, do not brother kill me, dad. Please. Yo, me tell you, yo, the school, man, yo, me go up on the road, brother. When I head cool, brother.
Brother, what? Come around, put me down a spot, brother. That's what yo.
Brother, you go around the place, you know, brother.
Brother, around the space. I'm sorry, brother. Yo. But yeah, I'm sorry about brother. Yo. I'm sorry about today, yo.
Can't believe, brother. I'm really dead, brother.
There you see.
Brother.
You see, Nick?
Yo, brother, God know you. Yo, man, yo, you have to give me one of them machine, brother.
You wanna what? Brother, better go on before police come and find me, man. Yo, go on. Cause you don't even know what going on right now. Go on, brother.
Brother,
yo, go on, man.
Can't believe that man really dead.
Oh, how this about to put me through, man? So we go put this about there. We go think fast.